Back here at the Tallest Man Academy 995, I have this Excel sheet, result sheet, right here. And when I try to make any edit, like let's say change one of the letters, like we have here the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet, as we can see. So to open up this file, we actually need a password. Now, there are reasons why you may need to protect your sheet, probably to prevent people from making unnecessary edits when it is not required, or probably it being confidential also. You may not want anybody to just tamper with the records as such. So right here we have this sheet right here from the Tallest Man Academy. Now, to protect an Excel sheet, what you can do is to come over here on format, click on the drop down right here. Then there is an option to protect sheet, like so. Just click on it and we can see this option to insert a password. Another way you can go about this is to come over here to the sheet right here, right click on it, and there is an option to protect sheet. Just click on that and we can see the option to insert a password. So I will just insert a random password, let's say, and click on OK. Then there is an option to re-enter the password to proceed. So I will re-enter and click again on OK. So we have inserted this password here. And when I try to edit this, like we can see this, it is on a protected sheet. So to open it up, we need to put a password. Now it can be that, let's say, you have forgotten the password. So what you can do actually, or probably let's say you can't remember the password again. So what we can do is to come over to where you have saved the document. It's already on my desktop, so I will open it up like so. It's here. So the first thing you would like to do is to just duplicate it, right click on it, just make a duplicate copy in case, let's say, something happens, you have another copy of it. So right here, what we can do is to come over here, click on view to see the file extension, come here on file extension, check it, and right here we can see the extension for it. So right click, come down here to rename. Now what we are going to do is to change this to a zip file, and to do that, remove the XLSX and leave it at .zip. ZIP right here, .zip, hit enter, and you see this pop up right here. Just select yes, and it has successfully converted to a zip file, as we can see, like so. So what you can do is to open up the zip file, double click to open up the zip file. Right here I'm using Wira. There are a couple of other ones you can use, like 7zip and all that. So click on ZL, come here to worksheet. Right here you choose the worksheet, remember it's sheet 2. So double click to open it. What we can do is to click on Ctrl F to find, type protect, and find, as we can see here. So I'm just going to close this up. What you can do is to carefully come from the beginning, like here, like so. Come from the beginning here and highlight to where the tag ends. where the tag actually ends, like so. You can see it right here where the tag actually ends. So from the beginning of the protection, from the beginning of the protection, sheet protection, to where the tag, like so, to where the tag actually ends. Right here, where the tag actually ends. Then just hit delete on the keyboard and just save this. Just save this. Just click yes. And right here we have removed the protection, as you can see right here. So I'll just close this up. Now what we can do is to right click again, go down to rename and change it back again. Remove the .zip, change it back to .xlsx. Hit enter on the keyboard, you see this message pop up. Click on yes, and when you click on yes, as you can see, we have converted it back to an Excel file. So I will just go ahead and open it up. Just open it up, double click to open it up, and right here it is coming up. So you can see right here. So when I click here to make an edit, as we can see, I can make an edit. I can change the colors here, probably change this to yellow, like so, or change this to red, like so. Another scenario can be right here in Word. As you can see, I have this and it's editable. Like let's say I can change this color right here, come over here to font. Let's say I change it to black. As we can see, it has changed right here. Now to protect this, what we can do is to come over here on review, click on review, and there's an option to protect. Just click on the drop down. As you can see, there's an option to restrict editing right here. Now what we can do is to just check this, check everyone, then click on yes, start enforcing protection, and there's an option to impute a password. So I will just go right away, put a random password, like and there's an option to re-enter the password for confirmation. Just hit OK, and right here we have actually enforced this. Now when I go back, when I try to change the color again, you can see I have highlighted and there is no option, there is no way I can. And even when I try to probably change one of the letters, hit backspace on the keyboard, as we can see this popping up right here. Now what we can do is to just unprotect this, just close, let's just close this up. Let's save and just close this out right here, as you can see. Now go to where you saved it. It's already saved right here on my desktop. So what we can do as before is to have a duplicate of this. You can just copy it, just duplicate it, just in case anything pops up. And right here we have this duplicate. So we need to bring out the file extension like so. And to do that, just go to view as we did before, and there is an option for file name extension. Check that, and right here we can see the file extension. So we will go ahead and rename this from docs. Click on rename, come over here, change it to .zip. .z, as we can see, like so, and hit the keyboard. This pops up, just click on yes, and we have converted this to a zip file, as you can see. Now what we can do is to just go out of this place for now. Now open a fresh Word document that is not locked. So I have this. I'm opening a fresh document that is not locked, as you can see right here. Now I can edit this. As you can see, it's editable. Maybe change it to T. It doesn't make sense. Bring it back to right here. So this is editable. Now what we can do is to just close this up. Let me just save and close up this. Now what we can do is to rename this. Come over here to rename and change it back to a zip file also, and hit enter. Change it to a zip file and hit enter. So we have converted this to a zip file. Now what we are going to do is to open up this. Just open up this. Come over here. Okay. Come over here to Word. Now come to Settings XML. Come to Settings XML. Open that up right here. Okay. So what you can do is to copy this Settings XML. Copy it, extract it. I will extract it to my desktop right here. Extract it to my desktop right here, and then close this up. Now when I open it up, as you can see, the Settings XML has been extracted right here. It has been extracted, as you can see right here. So what we can do is to open this other zip file with protection. Open it up. Come over here to Word. Now delete the Settings XML. Delete the Settings XML. Yes. Click on yes. We have deleted the Settings XML right here. So what we can do is to now what we can do is to drag the Settings XML of the file that is not protected. Drag it and draw into the one that is actually protected, and hit OK. So we can see we have a new Settings XML from the file that is not protected. So just save this, and we'll close this up, and we'll come back to here. Now what we can do is to change its rename, right click, click on rename, change it back to dots, dots. Hit enter on the keyboard like so. Now let's open this up. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. So we are back here and the tallest man. Now when I click on this, as we can see, we are able to make it. As you can see, I can change the font color right here. Come back here. Let's make this red. As we can see right here, we have successfully gotten rid of the protection right here. So this is a step-by-step process that you can always follow to be able to remedy this situation anytime that it arises. Thanks for watching.